Hey there, it's Dan from RDP Arena. If you're using a Windows VPS and want to give admin access to another RDP user, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, step by step, so you can get it done fast and hassle-free. Now, before we begin, just a heads up, you do need to already have admin privileges on your Windows VPS for this method to work. If you don't have admin access yet, this method won't work for you. With that being made clear, let's get started. First, right-click the Start button on your Windows VPS, and then select Computer Management from the menu. In the Computer Management window, go to the left side panel and double-click Local Users and Groups. Double-click the folder called Users. This will show you all the users currently on your system. Now, find the username you want to give admin access to. Right-click on that specific username and select Properties from the menu that appears. At the top of the Properties window, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one that says Member of. Click on the Add button, then hit Advanced. On the right side, you'll see a button that says Find Now. Click on it. A list will appear. From that list, select Administrators and click OK. Next, click OK again, and finally hit Apply and OK to save everything. Now, before we test if it worked, I have some exciting news to share with you. We're currently running a special sale with 20% off on all RDP slots. Simply use the code you see on your screen during checkout to grab your discount. If you've been thinking about upgrading your RDP plan or trying out one of our premium servers, this is the perfect chance for you to get started. Don't wait too long though. Stocks are limited and this sale won't be around forever. Now, let's get back to the video. I'm currently logged into the VPS server with the RDP user account that we just modified. Let's verify that this account now has full admin privileges. In the Windows search bar, type CMD. You'll see Command Prompt appear in the search results. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If the Command Prompt window opens without asking you for any admin credentials, that means it worked. Your RDP user now has full admin rights on your VPS. And that's it. You've just successfully given another RDP user admin access to your Windows VPS server. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.